Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Ang SPDA Business Center ay nagkakahalaga ng 11.859 million pesos. And this is in vision.
Successful.
Yung inagulit ko na building, yung groundbreaking mo ma'am, ito. Matapos siya before yung iwanan. The third building ma'am, it will be
Palakpakan po natin ang ating mahal na Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo at ang mga opisyal ng lungsod ng Coronadal at ng SPDA.
Kami nagpapasalamat sa financial assistance na na-extend mo sa aming kooperatiba. Maraming tricycle drivers na ang matulungan nito sa amin.
Tingali ang 170 billion loan sa mga small and medium enterprises. So congratulations kay kamong atong milestone sa atong administrasyon. So diri ang imong cheque. Congratulations. Complying with our instructions that we gave long ago, under previous administrations of SPDA, but our administration early on, we found out that SPDA has so many properties all over. So we said, you have to make something productive out of them. And so, ang yuta sa Davao City karon kabaligya sa mga taga-puyo dito, og kining sining atong duta diri mangin isa nga commercial center. And so I hope that indeed this will be the beginning of more business-minded management of SPDA. So congratulations to Chairman Dauf and also to President ba, or what is your title? President? Administrator Jerry Tumawis, who belongs to, I was saying earlier, probably one of the two most successful Muslim business families in our country with a lot of management experience. And I would like to acknowledge the presence also of his brother Ahmad, who is a party list congressman, and to thank and congratulations to Governor Daisy Fuentes and Congressman Art Pingoy and Mayor Nando Miguel for this new manifestation of added business and governance activity in Coronadal, the regional center of Region 12. Dagan salamat kanyang tanan. Damo gid ka salamat sa inyong tanan.
Salamat kayo, ma'am.
Thank you. Congratulations sa tanan.
Maraming salamat.
Congratulations also to SPDA for at last complying with our instructions that we gave long ago under previous